Profit greetings to everyone! The crypto market is on red calendar day, Bitcoin falls, and most coins fall behind it. I hope each of you had put into stop limits and didn't suffer big losses. Well, today we are again working with a bot on the Binarium platform. Are you ready? Let's get started. Let's open a trade and then continue our topic of cryptocurrencies. Now we will work in a pair of euro and the Canadian dollar. We are looking for the pair we need and are waiting for the forecast. Falling signal up to 14th minute. We don't waste time and open a deal. And wow, a hard leap up. In this case, this is not a reason for a frustration, but a reason to see new opportunities. Therefore, we will make an overlap to double our profit. Let's see what kind of technical analysis the bot provided us. And we see a downtrend as well as the nearest overlap levels, one of which we immediately used. We return to the broker and now all that remains is to wait for the result. We have two open deals, and if everything goes according to the plan, we will earn a pretty juicy amount. And what I wanted to say, now the situation on the cryptocurrency market isn't stable, and more we see red indicators. If you don't react in time, you risk losing all your money. If you haven't left the game on time, you have to wait until the price rises again. Money is frozen and is waiting for its time. In such cases, I recommend using multiple sources of income in order to diversify your risks. For example, in a crypto it can be all bad, but another source such as trading on a broker with a bot can give real profit. So calculate your actions and be always one step ahead. Well, I will speed up the video in order to find out the result faster. There was no reason to doubt that such a juicy forecast would bring us such a sweet profit. We fixed more than $300 and move on. The bot also got a profit. New forecast for the euro and pound currency pair. We prepare a pair through the search and increase our bid to 200. According to the bot's forecast, the signal will go up until 21 minutes, which means we open a deal for an increase. And let's take a quick look at the technical analysis to understand what we can expect. The signal is in a serious mood and we see how it will tend upward. We also have overlap lines, so we keep our finger on the pulse. Now we are waiting for the results, but here it's important not to take your eyes off the broker. Remember the previous deal, where with a sharp jump I immediately saw the opportunity to raise additional money and immediately took advantage of it. In trading, attentiveness and a fresh head are important. With each bet you add to your experience, which means that you become better and better every time. And so in any business, doing the same things regularly makes you a master. Therefore, if you are looking for an area in which you want to make money, think about trading. Moreover, it becomes much easier with a bot. See how many predictions the bot produces and so on every day. Let's speed up the video and see the result. Perfect hit, we fixed the profit and see that the bot also received its profit. Well, let's summarize our results. With strict risk control and taking advantage of the overlap, I earned more than $500 in net profit in just 2 trades. There are many such signals, the bot gives more than 100 every day, and this is your chance to easily enter a new sphere and earn a good cash. That's all for today. Subscribe, like this video and make crazy profit together with the Scalper bot.